dear kids, what is this? This is a parrot. Yes, this is a parrot. Now kids, what is this? This is a sparrow. Great! This is a sparrow. Let's see the next bird. What is this? This is a pigeon. Wonderful! This is a pigeon. Are you ready? What is this? This is a crow. Yes, this is a crow. Look carefully. What is this? This is a peacock. Very good! This is a peacock. Now tell me, what is this? This is a duck. Awesome! This is a duck. Let's move to the next one. What is this? This is a hen. Excellent! This is a hen. Kids, can you guess? What is this? This is a rooster. Great job! This is a rooster. Now look here. What is this? This is an eagle. Yes, this is an eagle. Let's continue. What is this? This is an owl. Very nice. This is an owl. Here comes another bird. What is this? This is a swan. Correct. This is a swan. Kids, what is this? This is a flamingo. Wonderful! This is a flamingo. Let's learn another bird. What is this? This is a woodpecker. Amazing! This is a woodpecker. Now tell me, what is this? This is a kingfisher. Yes, this is a kingfisher. Look at this bird. What is this? This is a dove. Great! This is a dove. Are you enjoying? What is this? This is a crane. Very good. This is a crane. Let's go ahead. What is this? This is a hummingbird. Excellent. This is a hummingbird. Kids, can you say its name? What is this? This is a vulture. Awesome! This is a vulture. Now look carefully. What is this? This is a seagull. Correct! This is a seagull. Last one, kids. What is this? This is an ostrich. Yes, this is an ostrich.